Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your login details and the correct photo file type and size. This saves time. Once logged in, navigate straight to your profile and tap Edit Picture. Make sure your file meets Kppsc rules, acceptable dimensions, and under 200 KB, because the system rejects oversized uploads. If you need to resize, use a quick image editor now. That avoids interruptions later and keeps the process smooth. Now you perform the core change. Choose Upload and pick your prepared photo. You'll need to position and crop so your face is centered and clearly visible. This matters because automated checks often reject off-center or blurry images. Once the editor looks right, preview it at thumbnail size to confirm clarity. If the tool offers rotate or zoom, use it, then click Confirm or Save to proceed. This prevents repeated submissions and speeds approval. Finish by saving your changes and immediately verifying the new picture appears when you log back in. That confirms the update took effect. If Kppsc requires manual approval, allow the stated processing window and watch your notifications or email. If the image fails to upload or shows errors, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and compress the file under 200 KB. These steps fix most upload issues quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.